Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm sorry the room is a tip, but it's currently undergoing maintenance. I've just ordered a brand new Corsair Carbide 400C PC case. This is going to be replacing the old one, which is pretty shite and ugh. So we're going to be unboxing this today and we're going to be just seeing what it's like really. I've lost my knife again. Need to get a proper one. Sick of using screwdrivers. Right, so here we have it. We've got instructions, which are kind of useless, and then we get the top of the case. That's what we're going to have to do. Stick it upside down. So much static on this poor side. God, that's something wrong. I'm going to take it out of the bag. Magnetic dust cover at the top, that's nice. Right guys, so here it is. It's a little bit smaller than what my other case is, but it looks nice. It's got a tempered glass side panel with a door where you can just take it off like so. Glass. These come off somehow. I'll have a look into them later on. We get a 120mm fan at the front, 140mm fan at the rear. We get all the cables that they look miles better than what they did. Hopefully my power supply will fit in the bottom. If not, we're kind of screwed. And let's have a look at the top. Put it on like a normal side pan, like a coon. Come on, just can't get it in. There you go, that just goes on like so. At the top we have the magnetic dust cover. We have two USB 3.0, headphone jack, microphone jack, reset and power button. On the front, hopefully the front actually comes off on this thing. Sure it does somehow. I'll have a look into that later because I don't really want to go breaking it. Yeah. Underneath we have another dust cover that just slides out like so. That's for the power supply. Can't get it back on, there you go. We'll have a look at the rear side panel. Let's take the thumb screws out. It just slots off like so. You can have 3 SSDs. There's 2 hard drive slots at the back, like so. Just wonder and wonder. I'm guessing there's something in this little box, so we're gonna take a look in here. If I can get it open. There's my screwdriver now. I'm guessing this is just the screws. Oh, there you go. It just pops off like so. And just open it. In here we have cable ties. We're going to need them. All the screws. See what else we have in here. A lot of little screws. All different sized ones. I'm guessing for the fans and the rest of the stuff. We get some studs, I'm guessing that they're for other fans as well, and a spare nut for the case of motherboard standoff. So we're going to stick all these back in here so we don't lose them. We've got these rubber faps. These are just for the hard drives, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop a like down below. It'll be very much appreciated. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.